What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mo. This is my channel, Mo Nation. So today we're gonna be talking about prices. I'm gonna be showing y'all, the good stuff. So your prices are gonna change throughout your whole detailing career. It's gonna increase or whatever for certain services and all that good stuff. And the way you price vehicles are gonna change. But what I'm gonna say before I start this video, you do what's best for you. Remember that. Don't do it because you see Mo doing it. Do what's best for you. The way I price my cars is basically a 3-tier system: mild, moderate, severe, and then the middle number is basically the mileage, how far I got to go out. So I'll explain that a little bit more. But the reason why we started doing it like that is because it was like playing a guessing game before. Like, oh, I'll charge $250. That's what I'll do it for. Now the way I do it, the way we got it now is so my fiance Valerie can also give quotes on car or give some prices on cars, because it was kind of hard before. She would call me, hey, what do you think I should price this, and then I got to go and look at it. So now she knows, if she looks at it, she says it's pretty bad, so she knows to price it up here. And then when she finds out the zip code, she puts that in, and then that'll give her, like, if it's 27 miles from the house, then it's $27, or 40 miles from the house, then it's $40, or whatever, something like that. I charge like $1 a mile. So that's just what we're trying out. And like I said, I'll get more into it in this video. So today we are doing 2 full interior details. The first one is a Toyota Camry, and then the second one is going to be a Mercedes Coupe. I'm not sure on the model, but we'll find out. So this one, like I said, it's a Toyota Camry. I'll show y'all that in a few. I got to call out the customer. I have to do my vehicle inspection, and then once I'm done with that, we can go ahead and get started. Alright, y'all, so comment down below, let me know what you would have charged for this vehicle right here. To me, this vehicle wasn't really that bad. I mean, I've seen way worse. It was just, as you can see, like, they had 2 car seats in there, so they had mess from that. But if you've been watching my videos or you watch my TikTok videos, y'all should kind of know my process to cleaning the interior by now. So first thing first, take the mats out, hang them up. After I take the mats out, I blow it off, and then I start on the seats. Now this one had a combination of cloth and leather, so I mean, obviously it kind of cleaned it a little different, but pretty much followed the same steps. But I extract the seats first. I always do the passenger and driver side seat first, because those are the ones I want to drive first. The driver is the most important. So after I'm done with that, I go ahead and I head to the rear and start doing that. Now in this car, I started doing the wipe it down, using a little toothbrush to kind of get in the corners and stuff like that, because it had a lot of crumbs and everything stuck in between there. And then obviously, as y'all can see, I steam cleaned the full interior. I'd rather use the steam than use chemicals, but hey, it's included in the full interior detail. They had some gum on the seat, so I got that off with the steamer, and then I went ahead and scrubbed the seats down really good. Now, if you don't, get you a drill. It don't matter on the brand. Just get you a good one that doesn't come from Walmart. And they work great for those cheap carpets and cheap mats that the Camry and Tundra and Hondas and all those have. They have those really cheap carpets. So having one of those drill and the drill brush works wonders. So I went ahead and shampooed the mats, and then I did the door jambs, and that was pretty much it. I got about 85% of what I did on the camera. So I'll tell y'all in a few how much this one is. All right, y'all, so we are done with that job. That job was $227. It took me, let's see, finish at 10, 12. So it took me 3 hours to do the inside. And that's actually not a repeat customer, but I did a car for these people before, and then the dad hit me up. This is actually like a Christmas gift to his son. So 227 divided by 3, that's $75 an hour, that's pretty good, pretty decent. More than what I aim for. So I aim for at least 50 an hour, which is so 75 is really great. But we have one more, so I only do 2 a day. For me, we have one more left, so I'm about to hit that customer up, see if I can come early, knock that one out, and so I can go back to the house and chill. So This one, like I said, the way it was priced was like I have mild, moderate, severe. So this one was priced at moderate, so in the middle, and then it was about 27 miles from the house. So that's how I got 227. So this one was priced right. This one wasn't that bad. It was bad, but not that bad. And I feel like that was priced pretty decently. The next one, I think I undercharged for the next one. I'm not too sure. Honestly, I'm not sure, but I really feel like I undercharged. But the next one, we're gonna get to that one. And but let's go ahead and get to that one. Alright, y'all, so we have made it to the destination. We actually super early. It's like 2:16. I told him I was gonna be here at 3 o'clock. So finished filling out my paperwork. 12, 22, 21, 12, 22, 21. Okay. That's the paperwork from the last one, and then here's the paperwork for this one. So put that in there. Alright, y'all, so this is the last car for today. I'm thinking all this should come out. This is cloth, and it should clean up pretty good. It is a little worn, as y'all can see. A lot of seats, so I have to be careful with that, but that's somebody else's detailing right there. Look at that. But I think the carpets have come out looking better because it's that light color, but we shall see. We're gonna shampoo the carpets, shampoo the seats, get all that good stuff done. So full steam cleaning. We're gonna hit the headliner a little bit. We're also gonna do the seat belts and stuff for them as well. So not a big car at all. Alright, y'all, so on seats like this, I am gonna steam clean the rest of the interior, but for the seats, I'm not gonna steam clean more than likely, because as you can see, they already have some wear and tear on them, a good bit, a lot of cracks and stuff. And I just don't want to mess nothing up. I feel more comfortable just spraying it down and wiping it down. So and that does good. But just whenever you encounter something like that, just keep that in mind. Like, you don't want to mess it up no more than what they already messed up. So I am spraying some leather cleaner. It's a cleaner for leather, but I think it leaves a protection, because every time I use it, after I use when I wipe it off, the seats are always like really soft to the touch. So I'm gonna put that in there like that, wipe it off, and call it a day. So I'm gonna be honest with y'all on this one right here. I honestly forgot to record. I did. I got there and completely forgot I was making a video and just did the whole car, and then I recorded here and there, and that's it. But yeah, this one came out all right, but some of those stains been there so long that it's really nothing that I can do. I did lighten them up some, but you know, it is what it is. Hey y'all, so we are done. We got most of the stains out. It looks a whole lot better than before. This is the best it's gonna get with the condition that it was in. So try to get this fixed. Alright y'all, so that is it for the day. Alright y'all, so like I said, that was the last one for me. We made $392. It was $227 for the first one, and then $357 or something like that for this one, and then he gave me a tip. The first one I didn't get a tip, so that's not bad. $392, 2 cars, about 6 hours of work. Really not that bad. For me, that's not that bad. Some of y'all probably say, oh, you're charging more, but it's not that bad. The way I do pricing, like, it may not work for you. And plus, this is just something new that I'm trying, that I thought of. I didn't see nobody else saying this is how they did pricing and all that stuff. This is just something that I thought of and said, I need to make it easier. So for when I do start adding people on, it's not just me giving pricing. And it's not just a random number. Sometimes before I was giving prices, and I mean, I stayed within the range, but it was just random. There was no structure behind it. And I feel like it needs structure. Just like these inspection forms and all that stuff like that. This is all preparing me for when I start adding people on. I already have this stuff going. I already kind of work out the kinks. And that way, when I do have people going, there's some type of structure that they're gonna have to follow. And it'll make everybody's job easier, especially with pricing. That way I can have somebody there for pricing, answering the phones and all that stuff while I take care of other things. And that way they know, okay, this is moderate, this is severe, and this is mild. And it's gonna be, like I said, increments. The only one that's not a 3 system, in a 3 system, is the bronze package. Because if it goes anything past mild, then it's no point in, they need to get a silver package, which is my full interior detail. They can't get a basic interior cleaning. So with that, like if it's a sedan, it's priced at 110 to 160. That middle number in between is the mileage. So if they're 45 miles away, like I said, it's gonna be 150 something. If they're 20 miles away and it's priced, if there's 20 miles away, then it's gonna be 130. So that middle number is always gonna be based off of mileage. And that's just how I'm just trying it out, seeing how it works. And if it makes it has made things a little easier when it came to pricing, because I know when I look at a car, I know, okay, I at least want to make 200. That's what I need to charge on this car. And so far so good. I can't complain about it. For my exterior, the exteriors are set prices now, so I'm not charging a range. For me, I just feel like, and this is just for me, I don't charge extra if it's a lifted truck. I may charge a little bit based off of the tires or whatever, but I just don't charge extra if it's a lifted truck, regardless if it's lifted or not. I mean, I'm 6 foot tall. I still got to get my my little stool out so I can get the very top without having to climb on the truck. So it doesn't matter if it's lifted or not, for me. So my premium wash is a set price. 75 for cars is 60 for coupes, 75 for cars, 100 for trucks and SUVs, and 125 for extra large trucks and SUVs. That's what I charge. I don't even really ask for pictures when people just want to wash, because to me it really doesn't bother me. I'd rather just do a set price on that, because to me it just ain't that serious. The only thing I won't give a set price for is my interior work and stuff like that, or if it's a wash and wax or anything else coming. But if y'all have any questions, thank you for watching. I hope you have a good day.